Alright, I'm doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy A50 with straight talk. And I got this from Walmart. I had to go to Walmart and get it because it sold out on the Straight Talk website. I guess they must recently added it because they had the A20 on there and the A30, but this one right here was sold out, so I went to Walmart and got it. This is what the box looks like on the outside. I already took everything out of the box. And this is all the specs. Right here. And then there's a triple camera setup on the back. So 3 cameras on the back and the front facing camera on the front. So you got a total of 4 cameras. This is what the inside of the box looks like. I already took everything out. That's all the pins. And I used the 55. Then here's the specs again. Make it focus. Yep. I'll go real slow so you can see the specs. You can also view this on the Straight Talk website or the Samsung website. But yeah, this is all the specs. And this is the back of the box. Pretty much basic stuff. And this is everything else. This is a fast charge for the USB C cable. It's right here. It's not that long, so just a heads up on that. And all your manuals, your quick reference guide, everything else. This is if you never had Straight Talk before, this is your SIM card number and your serial number, so you can activate it. So you can activate your phone. And this is the front of the phone. Can't hardly see it. That's the front. And then there's your headset jack. Focus on that. There you go. Headset jack, USB-C. And the volume and the power, the lock button is on the same side as the phone. Then your SIM card and SD card goes right here. And then that's pretty much it. You got a mic on the top. Then other mics down here. Can't hardly see it, it won't focus. Then yeah, this is the back of the phone. Got that holographic look to it. That's the camera right here. That's the triple camera setup. There it goes, focusing. And it does get smudges all over it, by the way. Talking about everywhere. And I already got a case for it right here. I got an outer box commuter light series. Where's the box at for that? Right here, I did an unboxing on that. It's an outer box commuter light. And I got everything from Walmart. The case, the screen protector, the tempered glass screen protector. It's on there. You can barely see it. Yeah, you can see it right there. It's focused now. But yeah, I got everything for Walmart. Everything came out to $420. The phone was $299 plus tax. The case was $29 plus tax. The tempered glass was $12 plus tax, and the 2-year protection plan was $55. So spend under $500. Shoot, $420. Shoot, why not? Yeah, this thing clean. Let me unlock it real quick. Still setting it up, but yeah, that's the display. Hey, look, it's clean now. Then I can swipe up like that. I ain't got everything on here. Yeah, I still gotta get everything set up, but for the most part. But this is just an unboxing. This ain't a review. I'm gonna do a review on it whenever I, have it for a couple more days, at least a week. But yeah, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll just answer it to the best of my ability. I'm not no professional YouTuber, by the way, but yeah. But this is it, the Samsung Galaxy A50 with screen top.